की क्रिएट, लोगों ने पसंद किया, पैसा आया रेट। स्कूल के दिनों में 10वीं क्लास थी, कोडिंग का शौक लगा, दिल में आग सी। पाइथन, जावा, एंगुलर सीखी, रातें जाग जाग कर मेहनत की पूरी की। एप्स बनाए, गेम्स किए क्रिएट, लोगों ने पसंद किया, पैसा आया रेट। गूगल प्ले पर छाया नाम मेरा चमका, जीवन में हर तरफ खुशियों का धमाका। कड़ी मेहनत से मैंने पाया मुकाम, पर गिरना भी सीखा, यही है मेरा काम। सपनों के पंखों से फिर से उड़ान, YouTube पे सिखाऊंगा प्रोग्रामिंग का ज्ञान। लेकिन किस्मत का खेल अजब ही सीन था, प्ले कंसोल सस्पेंड जैसे टूटा सपना। फेम पैसा सब गया, दिल में थी उदासी, डिप्रेशन ने घेरा कोई मेरी हंसी। उस अंधेरे में जब कोई राह नहीं थी, तब आई वो लड़की मेरी सबसे अच्छी दोस्त थी। उसने हाथ बढ़ाया, मुझसे कहा रोहित उठो, फिर से लड़ो, सपनों को फिर से जीतो। उसकी हिम्मत ने मुझे फिर से जिंदा किया, प्यार और दोस्ती ने नया रास्ता दिखाया। नया YouTube चैनल सिखाऊंगा मैं वहाँ, कोडिंग के गुरु रोहित का है यहाँ बयां। कड़ी मेहनत से मैंने पाया मुकाम, पर गिरना भी सीखा, यही है मेरा काम। सपनों के पंखों से फिर से उड़ान, YouTube पे सिखाऊंगा प्रोग्रामिंग का ज्ञान। मेहनत से मैंने पाया मुकाम, पर गिरना भी सीखा, यही है मेरा काम। सपनों के पंखों से फिर से उड़ान, YouTube पे सिखाऊंगा प्रोग्रामिंग का ज्ञान। लेकिन किस्मत का खेल अजब ही सीन था, प्ले कंसोल सस्पेंड जैसे टूटा सपना। फेम पैसा सब गया, दिल में थी उदासी, डिप्रेशन ने घेरा कोई मेरी हसीन। उस अंधेरे में जब कोई राह नहीं थी, तब आई वो लड़की मेरी सबसे अच्छी दोस्त थी। उसने हाथ बढ़ाया, मुझसे कहा रो उठो, फिर से लड़ो, सपनों को फिर से जीतो। उसकी हिम्मत ने मुझे फिर से जिंदा किया, प्यार और दोस्ती ने नया रास्ता दिखाया। नया YouTube चैनल सिखाऊंगा मैं वहाँ, कोडिंग के गुरु रोहित का है यहाँ बयां। उसकी हिम्मत ने मुझे फिर से जिंदा किया, प्यार और दोस्ती ने नया रास्ता दिखाया। नया YouTube चैनल सिखाऊंगा मैं वहाँ, कोडिंग के गुरु रोहित का है यहाँ बयां। स्ट्रगल की कहानी, हिम्मत की जुबानी, फेलियर को अपना कर बड़ी मेरी रवानी। जो गिरता है वो उठता भी है, मेहनत की राह पे सफलता भी मिलती है। अब सबको दिखाऊंगा कैसे कोडिंग करे, मेहनत से पाया मैंने सबको ये सिखाऊंगा। रोहित की कहानी, मेहनत की जुबानी, YouTube पे आओ प्रोग्रामिंग की रवानी।
Hello everyone, welcome to the stream. Today we are going to build a YouTube-like platform from scratch and with the help of ChatGPT. And in this stream we will we will create the UI where we upload videos and displaying them like we display in YouTube, and manage storage where we will using our local storage to save and retrieve video data. Uh, and uh, so there is some disclosure. I don't know React or Node.js, and these two technologies we are going to use. What here is the cool part that we are going to see if we can create this platform together using the ChatGPT as our guide. Whether you are beginner or you know programming, I think this is going to uh, a new learning experience for all of us. We will use ChatGPT for to find problems. So let's we try. Can we build something similar to like YouTube? And uh, so as I mentioned, I'm not familiar with React or Node.js. But let's see if we can build this project or not. We are completely rely on ChatGPT or sometime on Google, as some tricky part maybe ChatGPT will not cover, or we will see. And let's see how AI can help us to write code for real world project. Okay, so first we set up our project here. So I am just head to ChatGPT. Here I just write some prompt. First, hi. Hmm. You are 10 plus year of experience developer, full stack that know React and Node.js very well. So here we give first prompt that tell ChatGPT that you have knowledge of 10 plus year of experience and you know React and Node very well. So you will you will help me to create an YouTube like platform where UI is similar to YouTube and UI is similar to YouTube and we can upload videos and retrieve videos. Don't mind spellings, just ChatGPT can understand everything. Retrieve videos and play. So for now, we have only one feature that we can upload video. We can retrieve video from local storage and display in our UI, and we can play this video. So let's start from there. Okay. So just enter. So what its response? Let's see. Let's break down do build a YouTube like platform with React and Node.js. So इसने here it will give here high level overview. Okay, so for front end we are using React. Okay, so he's saying we will design a UI similar to YouTube for uploading, browsing, and playing video, integrating a video player using HTML5. So okay, so we have video tag in our HTML. So you will use this or you can use React player as a library. So I don't know about this library, React library, but I know about video tag. Let's see what we will use in future. Okay, so next is upload form. User can upload video, handle file selection, and form submission. So we have to create upload form. Video listing, we have to display a video in a form of title description with metadata. Okay, so we have to implement search filter. Okay, authentication, obviously, and user. So we will not use this thing right now. Authentication we will not use. We will use this in later, but for now, for today, I think it is some uh, tough work for ChatGPT or for me myself because I don't know about React or Node.js, the authentication things, how they work. So Mm, we did not authentic we do not use this thing. So for backend we need to create RESTful API. Okay, for video upload, for retrieve and search we need to three type of API we need, and we need to use AWS S3. We are not using this AWS S3. We instead of this we use our local storage for saving video files. You can use AWS S3, but I don't have that much access, so we can use just local storage. Database we can use we can use PostgreSQL or MongoDB. Here we use PostgreSQL because I have knowledge of PostgreSQL, or we can use MongoDB. We will use this one, PostgreSQL. I have some hands-on on Postgres, that's why I'm using. So we are not using authentication, so this thing we are not required. And video streaming, and also we don't have feature. Okay, so we need feature of video file streaming, especially for large file. Okay, let's see. This point also I'm confused some. Let's see. So feature, what we have feature, video uploading. Yes, we need to video upload. File size we have to check, and format also we need to apply check somewhere. Video playback with responsive player, we need to video. Okay, video recommendation or related content. No, this thing is something related to AI, and we need more time for today. I think we cannot do this one too. User interaction like comment, etc. We can create an interface for this, but I think we cannot create API for today. Let's see, let's start. Okay, good. Uh, so we cannot use authentication. So we cannot use authentication for now. We will simply create an dummy user which can upload video, retry videos. Oh, we don't need dummy user. I think for now we did not create dummy user. We can upload video, retry videos, and player. Got it. We will keep things simple. Okay. So now we have some simple things. We have one form, video upload form, simple form to upload videos. Video list display a list of all uploaded video player where play select video is simple. In front end we have only three things, right? In backend we have APIs, API for readable and streaming API. We need three APIs and it's simple, I think. So set up an Express server. Okay, install necessary dependency, example method, create three APIs, front end. Okay, so now we have a simpler path. Okay, we have now this simpler path. So now we set up our environment. Okay, so I just type how to set up all these things in my environment. Set everything for environment. We will start setting a backend Node.js, then move to frontend. Okay. So here they using. So here ChatGPT asks us to install Node.js. So let me check Node.js in my system. Here we have folder YouTube. We open CMD, and here we have command node v. Okay, so this thing I use in my some Angular projects. Where we search. So we already have Node 20.10 Node. I have Node because I work on Angular. That's why I have Node here. I have also npm. So we check npm version, and we have npm 10.2.3. Okay. So if not installed, download. We already have Node.js and npm. So we have directory, and we already inside directory. Here we initiate our project. So for that I need to write npm init y. So for that npm init y. A road to package.json. Okay, so I think we already had created package.json. So I just open VS Code. Here, okay, so here this and this command create this JSON file for us. Okay, so now what is next step? We need to install dependencies like express for the we need to following package express. We need to express multer and codes. Okay, so all we copy this and we just paste it. So we are just copy paste developer. We just copy code from ChatGPT and pasting here and there. Hmm. So we install all the libraries. Now we have node modules folder here. So basically in node modules folder we have all the dependency which we are using in our project. This is similar to the Angular. Okay, so here these things I can understand in this project. So next move to the next step. So create the basic code. We will create index.js for our Express server. So we need to create backend code. So for that we create a index.js. Okay, so we create one file. Touch is not work in Windows. So we just manually create here. Okay, so we just create one file. Why this happening? So here we just create one file index.html. Okay, so write the code following in index.js. So we need to copy this code and paste here in this file. Let's check. Okay, so it write complete backend code. Nice, nice. I did no. Okay, so index.js. Oh, sorry. Uh, so we have file name index.js. Okay. So here hit the enable codes for cross origin. Here set up for multer to store video and upload folder. Okay. So here we need I think one upload folder. So I instead of I ask him to create a folder structure for this project. I know here we need to create one folder that is upload to upload file, but why when we have ChatGPT we can ask to him. Okay, so here we have backend and clone. Oh, so this is our this folder structure we need. Okay, so I am creating here backend. Where is Node.js? Okay, so where is Node module folder? I'm confused now. Where is Node module folder? Hello. Mm. So we have all the depend. Okay. Mm. Why need to create two folders? Okay. So we will do this, but before I need to run any APIs. Okay. So um, I just need to create this folder. Okay. Here I need to upload. Okay. This thing. Now terminal, and then this is our step. And not JS index. We run this thing. So we have any get API here. This is get API, okay. And this is also get API. We will check this. Okay. Okay. So our server is working, right? I can just open Postman to show is API giving response or not. Okay. Um, Hello. Where is ChatGPT? Here is my partner here. Yeah. So our server is running, but I need to check API and API. So first we have a API to stream video. We don't need this thing. Uh, we need this setup the storage for monitor. No, where is upload? Oh, we need this API, upload API. Okay. So for the upload API, we need upload single video request file. Okay, just copy this. Okay, so here, hello LD3072. Hi, bro. So, sorry. So here, I need to check this API in our Postman. I know how to check, but let's here we ask to ChatGPT. How we will check? How to check this API is working or not in Postman? Let's see the power of AI. Okay, test the upload in API. We need to open Postman. We already new to HTTP request. Okay, okay. See, so this thing I already knew because sign out. I don't know what to sign in. Here I just need to create one request and here paste local.api upload. Okay, so we have to go body here form data. Now under body tab, select form data in the key type video. So this we need to specify from here. Okay. So here we just type video, sorry, video, and here choose file. Okay, so just give me 1 minute. I need to add any video file here. So for that, I just um, blind this thing. Hello, bro. Okay, so I need to upload one file. Screen will be back soon. I need to search one video, and I don't know. There's some personal file in my storage, so I need to do with some precautions. Okay. Uh, select files. Okay. Desktop. Cancel. Um, Okay, so I added one video here. Now we hit this API and we will get error. Okay, so this is post API, sorry. Okay, and then we again hit and we will see video upload successfully. Okay, so we successfully one video this. Uh, so let's see here in our folder structure. Here we have this video which we upload using API. Okay, so now if we hit this get API here, let's see our backend is working completely or not. So we just this thing, and this is get API, and we just hit enter, and here we get our video name. Okay, so next thing is our video play. This is also get API, and we just hit here, and we need file name. So we have file name. This thing is our file name. Okay, so we just replace this, and now we hit again. Error cannot get. Okay. No such file directory state Rohit. No, okay, so this is some error. This we handle later. But for now, we are able to create, we are able to fetch a file, or we are able to upload file. Okay, so let's so here's some error. Okay, if I come postman and here I remove this thing, maximum response size. Okay, we will check this in front end. Maybe there is some issue. So our backend is ready. Okay, so now we move to our front end. Okay, so we ask ChatGPT for the folder structure for this project, and it give us some folder structure. So first we set up this thing. I need one folder which name bit name backend. Okay, we have one folder backend and one folder front end. Backend and front end. Now we just move all these backend file in this backend folder. Okay. So here we have public src. Let's read about it. The node modules folder is automatically created by npm when you install dependency. So this thing I already told that when you so a node modules folder contain all the dependencies which we use in our project, whether it is for front end or what back end. So we have here two modules. One is for backend and one is for front end. What happened? There's some error. Error operation not permitted. Rename. Okay. Okay. So we just delete npm here and we move to we terminate the server. We copy these files, cut, paste in backend. Okay. Now backend have this file. We have this package JSON and package.json. So in this, as you see, we have all the dependencies. So so now we can create another and node modules folder. Just go to cd backend and run npm install. So it will automatically install all the dependencies in backend folder. See, now we don't need this folder. Just run here our server again, index.js. Okay, so now we work to our front end. Just YouTube, go to this folder. Just remove this thing. Try again. Cancel. Okay, so now we have two folders, backend, frontend. In backend, we have our backend code and this thing. We have frontend, nothing. So now we focus on frontend. So create a new React app in separate terminal window. Run the following command. Okay, we will interact with backend API. For that, we need access. Okay, so we just copy this. And now we have to enter cd frontend and run this thing. In this also we have node modules and package.json and package log.json. Okay, sorry. For that we need to run this command npx create react app YouTube clean forward. Um, so we are creating React apps. Yeah. Using this command, we can create a React app. Just now I learned these things that npx create React app will create a React app for us. In Angular, we used another command, but in this thing, okay. It takes some time. Till then, we read next step. So we need to install XUS for to interact with backend API, and then we will create basic front-end code. Okay, okay, and then we start. Okay. So I think after this we will able to see something on a screen. Okay, so here it's a happy hacking. Nice. We will start hacking. So our front end application is also set up and just we need to write some basic code which ChatGPT provides us. We just copy. So in this stream is not going to like a teaching stream, like I'm not going to teach about React application out React bug, but I'm just try to build YouTube like platform just using the ChatGPT. Okay, so if you come here to learn React or Node.js, it is not any learning video, but just we are trying to build something with AI. Okay, so we copy this code and we paste in our here. In front end, we have src and we have FJS, right? We need to paste here, right? In FJS, okay. I know something. Here we just paste it. Ah, okay, and then npm start. So for that, we also open new terminal, cd front end, and npm start. Here we do npm start. And it will run our front-end code. Front-end 1.0 start reading script. Okay, okay. What do you guys think? We get error. Can't resolve access. Okay. So we install access, but then we delete completely front-end folder. That's why we don't have access. Oh, for that, we just come to a terminal and npm install access. I don't know how to pronounce it, but I am pronounce it access. Okay, something spelling mistake. ChatGPT. Okay, AXIOS. Okay, A AXIOS. This thing, right? Right. This installed. We again terminate the job and again run our project. Okay, so here we have a basic thing. So video upload and playback feature we are just created using ChatGPT. This video I uploaded here. Okay, so I need try to upload some another video. For that I just need to again hide my screen. You just give me 2 minutes. I will create some folder where I cover some dummy video and then we will check this feature. Okay. So just I need to hide a screen. Give me some time. Just give me 2 minutes. I will back. Okay. So I just come to OBS and hide the screen. Hide the screen, please. Okay. Ah, so now use
स्कूल के दिनों में 10वीं क्लास थी, कोडिंग का शौक लगा दिल में आग सी। पाइथन जावा एंगुलर सीखी, रातें जाग जाग कर मेहनत की पूरी की। एप्स बनाए, गेम्स किए क्रिएट, लोगों ने पसंद किया, पैसा आया रेट। गूगल प्ले पर छाया नाम मेरा चमका, जीवन में हर तरफ खुशियों का धमाका। कड़ी मेहनत से मैंने पाया मुकाम, पर गिरना भी सीखा, यही है मेरा काम। सपनों के पंखों से फिर से उड़ान, YouTube पे सिखाऊंगा प्रोग्रामिंग का ज्ञान। लेकिन किस्मत का खेल अजब ही सीन था, प्ले कंसोल सस्पेंड जैसे टूटा सपना। फेम पैसा सब गया, दिल में थी उदासी, डिप्रेशन ने घेरा कोई मेरी हंसी। उस अंधेरे में जब कोई राह नहीं थी, तब आई वो लड़की मेरी सबसे अच्छी दोस्त थी। उसने हाथ बढ़ाया, मुझसे कहा उठो, फिर से लड़ो, सपनों को फिर से जीतो। उसकी हिम्मत ने मुझे फिर से जिंदा किया, प्यार और दोस्ती ने नया रास्ता दिखाया। नया YouTube चैनल सिखाऊंगा मैं वहाँ, कोडिंग के गुरु रोहित का है यहाँ बयां। कड़ी मेहनत से मैंने पाया मुकाम, पर गिरना भी सीखा, यही है मेरा काम। सपनों के पंखों से फिर से उड़ान, YouTube पे सिखाऊंगा प्रोग्रामिंग का ज्ञान। कड़ी मेहनत से मैंने पाया मुकाम, पर गिरना भी सीखा, यही है मेरा काम। सपनों के पंखों से फिर से उड़ान, YouTube पे सिखाऊंगा प्रोग्रामिंग का ज्ञान। लेकिन किस्मत का खेल अजब ही सीन था, ले कंसोल सस्पेंड जैसे टूटा सपना। फेम पैसा सब गया, दिल में थी उदासी, डिप्रेशन ने घेरा कोई मेरी हंसी। उस अंधेरे में जब कोई राह नहीं थी, तब आई वो लड़की मेरी।
Okay, so I'm back here again. We just move to this window. Okay, so here I some upload some other video. Here I move to this folder React, and here we have YouTube, and we have backend, and we have upload folder. Here we have some video I just deleted, and now we will refresh this page. Okay, so now we have nothing here in available video. We are going to upload one video here, that is this thing, and now we upload it. We don't have anything like loading bar or anything, so it's just we have alert box here, and we just refresh this page. We have one video with this title name. This is basic thing, right? So basic feature where we upload video, and it have playback feature also. Here, I think here they use HTML5 only. I think we will check in front end where it is. Okay, so here he used this thing with some support video, playback video. Now we will try to upload one for file. This Selenium video 1 we try to upload and hit upload button. Okay, video upload successfully, and we need to refresh again. So we have this video again. Okay, now
Hey everyone, welcome back
we have this. Now can we play two video at the same time?
to School Lab. In today's video,
So
we are diving into
we have some bug. First thing is UI is horrible. Here we just have one header, one upload files. We don't have image. We don't have feature of title. We don't have feature of descriptions. We don't have feature of a refresh. Like when we upload, it should automatically refresh. Like we don't have this thing and some other things. Like we need to first fix the UI. Okay. Okay. So first we give him. Okay, so we have two tasks. First thing is we need to improve our folder structure. because here in backend it just create index.js and complete write code in only one file. First thing, and also in front end we have complete code in one app.js. Okay, it is good for beginners. Like I don't know much about it, that's why it is good. And we are successfully able to create one feature using ChatGPT. Now move to the next thing, which is improve UI. Okay, okay. So all the three APIs working. What there is horrible UI and UX. So first we will improve these things. As we discuss, I want to create platform like YouTube. We need a UI good. Give me basic YouTube layout in React, where in top navbar we have one upload button. Using that one model, or what do we call this thing? Model, this model now. Like if I click this thing is appear. What is this? It's called model, I think. This is model. Ah, appear in UI rectangular, in which video upload functionality is there. Okay, so to create basic YouTube layout with a clean UI and user experience in React, we're gonna start by structuring the app with a top navigation bar, upload button, where the user click button, a model will open where they can upload a video. Okay, so ChatGPT understand what I want to say. It's good, right? So it gave us a basic structure where we have components and we have two files, top name bar component and upload model component. Good. So our project is increasing day by day, is minute by minute, not day by day. Uh, so we just create these files. Um, in SRC, we need folder component. In SRC, we need folder component. So we create one folder that is component. In component, we need two files. One is navbar.js, one is upload model.js. We create navbar.js and upload model.js, right? And upload model.js. Okay, so two files, and we just come here and navbar.js, copy here code, and upload model.js, copy here code. Why giving red sign? I don't know. Untracked, okay. This I know untracked, but just give red sign. Okay, so we have to add man command model control. Hmm. Model CS, upload model CS, source component upload model CS. Okay. So here the model CS. Here we copy this thing, paste, and now navbar.css. CS for navbar. Okay. So just write navbar.css and we copy this and paste this, and we need now debug. So display a top navigation bar with the logo on the left and upload button on the right. Clicking the upload button, open the model where you can select and upload video. Inside the model, there's a file input and upload button to submit the video. The model can be closed by clicking the close button on the uploading the video. And control when the model is hidden using React state is model open. We will use okay. Okay. So let's see how our UI looking. Okay, so now we have something clean. We have here one upload button, and using this we have clean UI. Here we have upload video. Again we uploaded and upload successfully, right? But it does not look that much good, that much I want. So here we just do some changes. Okay, as I can say, on left side I want my logo text, and on right side there should one upload button. Hmm. Also, you did not give CSS to that button. Okay. Button. Now what next step? Okay. So here we need this thing here and this thing here. Also, I need add line here. Also, I think if nav bar background color is different with body, and it you can think on yourself. Okay, so we just copy the navbar.js, navbar.js, and hit here paste. Okay, so we have this thing. Okay, now this is looking great. Here we have
YouTube. So we just give its name here, YouTube only, and save. Upload button here, YouTube here. Now we just click on this. We have this feature where upload video and this. Now I'm not liking this close button here at all. This close button should be here. Okay, so I want okay, so we have some series also change in name but series. Let's see what this thing will do it. Um, okay, nice. It's looking now great. Oh, I'm liking this thing now. One more thing here also I need. Okay, so this is working now. This close button. So I asked ChatGPT to change. Okay, there is some also change. Um, changing this and now YouTube has find structure name bar body model. Okay, now this thing. Now I want to show YouTube video grid format. No, yes, continue. Yes, like in YouTube with title. What is happening? What did this happen, bro? Everyone is sleeping. Everyone is sleeping. Why everyone is sleeping? Okay, so here I set to create video grid layout, video data, use mock data, array similar to video, thumbnail and title, video grid, you can rendered. Okay. Hmm. No, 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 no. I don't need this dummy data. You remember you created backend API to fetch video list, right? From that, I want to show those videos in grid. Got it. Okay. So in video grid, so modify the video grid component of fetch data API. So we will create another component video grid.js here. Here in component folder we create another thing, and this video grid.js. And now we copy this thing and we just paste here. Huh. And we have backend API ready, but we don't have anything thumbnail. Let's see. Okay, I think ChatGPT now go in another direction. It completely confused because I asked him to fetch video details from this API. This is called this API. Video is this, and here we are getting this list, and I want to show this list in this API. What ChatGPT getting confused, I think. So again, we need to, I think, explain ChatGPT. So this is tired thing now. Um, so let's see, are we able to use this thing or not? Console, we refresh this thing. Wait, this thing. React DevTools. What is React DevTools? I don't know. Let's install it. Add extension. There is some error. What is this? So, अब हम got into display video from a backend API in flat format. We will fetch video data from the API you created and render it to video grid component. Here's how you do it. Fetch video data. Use Express to fetch the video list from backend API. And here we use this thing. Modify the video grid component to fetch data from API. Okay, so I think here is we have this data. Video grid. Update the main component to include video grid. Okay, so update app.js. We did not update app.js here. App.js. Error, one error. What is this error? It's video grid JS. Model not found. Can't resolve video grid.css. Okay, we don't have video grid.css. We create file. This file here. So now our folder structure getting horrible again because we are not following, I think, some rules. Because if we create just files, random files, it is not good structure. I think I don't know how to do it in React, but still I'm thinking there is some error because we have this thing, right? 3 video and 3. So just type copy. Each child has listed have unique key value. Let's say there are if we just and go to backend, where is backend upload and here video. Hmm. I don't want this. I want this. I go to ChatGPT again, and here we write this API. This API returning only file name. So create UI according to it, and when user click on that grid, another page will open where that video start playing. Okay, so here it's saying we need to modify our backend API. Okay, so he just add one error and an ID file, level and split, and okay. Let's see. Just change the structure.
So just get very fast and fast. We just added a project here, and in our project we have some open model and this thing. We just will modify this file. Where is our content here? Then here is some getting this thing. Error, some error. Okay. Switch. Why? And then we start. Export switch by not found in module. Okay. Okay, so there is some error getting invalid hook cell. Okay, cannot read property of null use ref. Okay, invalid hook cell and type that cannot read property of this cell. Which file is error? In this file have some error when we use this root React root DOM and getting this. If we use this thing, we are not getting anything, right? If I use this thing, I am not getting any error. Ah, okay. Oh, so I think it will be easy to create any app using ChatGPT, but no. So the problem is I'm not getting what is here error. Hmm. Let's see again. Okay. We have to one API where we need to fetch data here. Okay. So for that, oh, we are just using what we are using. I'm just forgetting. Yeah, this video grade JS and video player. But how we can do this?
Why I'm start talking in English? Because I think there is some people from outside India. Otherwise, I can talk in Hindi, I think. But how I know that you are from India or outside from India? Okay. So can we stop this now? We will work tomorrow because I am tired now. Oh, there is some problem with grid. Upload things working fine, right? Let's check upload thing. Here we go to network tab. We just choose upload. Sorry, here compile and throw it is back and then upload. Okay, upload successfully. Yeah, upload thing is working fine, but when we fetching data, it will give some error. So I'm just stopping here. We will work tomorrow. So if you are new to this channel, please subscribe, hit the subscribe button, and please tell me in the comment section or in the chat anywhere that it is good idea to create any application using ChatGPT. Please tell me. I am waiting for a response. Okay, so I delete these things because I don't think कि ये चीज मुझे कुछ बग किया, right? So still I'm running this build. Refresh is working. Here we need videos in grid section, and this is challenging task that we will complete tomorrow. Okay. So bye bye. Have a good sleep. Good night. मिलते हैं कल. Bye bye.